Hi everybody, welcome to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie and it's time for another edition of my 60-second DIY. What will it be today? Well, I've got all my supplies from Dollar Tree and from Walmart, and I think there's one in there from Hobby Lobby. But I always love to bring you some really easy, fun, affordable, and super quick DIYs. And that is me right there with the bunnies looking for all my supplies. That's always me. I want to take a quick thank you for all my subscribers and visitors. Thank you so much for leaving the best comments I've ever read. Y'all are so sweet. And don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and give me a subscribe. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump right in to our very first DIY project today. Come on! So I finally found some window clings at Dollar Tree. I have some little treats for myself as I craft. And this is an old board. It's actually a drawer board, the front of a drawer. And I had some scrap wood, and so we're going to use that. And my clock has started, so all I'm going to do is just take some Waverly chalk paint in white and just really quick kind of whitewash it over it, and then I go one way and then I'm going to do it the other way like a crosshatch. And I think this is the cutest truck that I have seen in a long time. I love the red trucks, but I love this beautiful turquoise truck. So I'm using my Elmer's glue stick, and it's purple, but don't worry, it dries clear. And so I just pop that right on there, super easy. I just think this little picture is so cute. Look at that. So it's all dry. And then all I'm going to do is I added a wire on the back. I hot glued it. And then I have, 2 seconds. I love this colored raffia that I found. And it matches the wheels perfectly. So here it is. I mean, how easy is using window clings? You just throw them on, and I love how this turned out. And I added a little Soozie stuff for a nice touch. Beep, beep. Did I tell you that I'm doing 3 projects today? Yes, 3 60-second DIYs. So I'm using all of these supplies here from Dollar Tree. I need a clock, and I'm taking this extra paper, scrapbook paper that I had left over, and I did pick it up at Hobby Lobby. And so I just fit it into the frame. This is I think a 5x7, whatever size that you like. And I love these little mini cutouts they have at Dollar Tree now. But I actually didn't like the raw wood that I was going to use, so I had to grab my Elephant Waverly chalk paint that I picked up at Walmart, and I just painted the little rabbits. And then whatever was left on my brush, I just gently went around the frame, and then I hot glued them all in place. And you can use whatever size frame that you have laying around the house. And I have a little carrot from Dollar Tree. I love them. They're so cute. So pick them up when you see them. And I'm using my favorite ribbon, the farmhouse ribbon from Dollar Tree. Hot glue that right on. 5 seconds left. I love how this turned out. So simple and perfect for a little shelf or just wherever you would like. And I want to tell you that bucket right there, I did get it at Dollar Tree, threw some purple lavender in it, and that little project took me about 2 seconds to make. So I hope you enjoyed the little rabbits. And finally, I'm starting out with my frame that I got at Hobby Lobby in the 90% off. It was the Christmas piece. And then I've got these wooden links that I got on Amazon that I'll link down below. I love them. They're my favorite. And let's get started on this one. I need a clock. So this little frame is so cute. I love the background. And all it said was joy, so I was thinking about just painting over it to cover it up. I'm like, no, let's grab some carrots. So I just grabbed 5 carrots, and hot glued those on. And you can totally recreate this. They have the little wooden boards and wooden slats at Dollar Tree, and find a great scrap paper background. So these are my favorite wooden letters. I got them on Amazon, and I'm just adding them on the top. This project didn't take so long, so I'm just kind of gonna talk through it. I love these letters, and you can paint them if you like. I almost painted them gray, like that elephant color, but I just really like the raw wood too, and it kind of picked up the frame. So I think it went well. So hashtag spring. Yes, it's around the corner and my time is up. I think it turned out so cute. I love the gray. I love the orange carrots, and the hashtag spring is perfect. And I hope you can make yours today. And here is one last look at all of our 60-second projects today. I love them. Don't forget to check out those window clings. Pick up those little bitty rabbit cutouts. They're so cute. And find something around the house that you can redo. And don't forget to grab those carrots at Dollar Tree. I know you'll have fun. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I hope you had fun and I inspired you just a little. Don't forget, on Tuesdays are my 60-second DIY and Saturdays are my full DIY episode. I would love it if you'd subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you have time, to say hello in the comments below. See you next time on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.